National Hail and Dent Removal has been servicing the paintless dent repair industry for over 22 years. Specializing in hail damage repairs nationwide, we offer a turnkey solution when a hail event occurs in your area. Our emergency response team can be on site within 24 hours. NHD estimators utilizing hail lights are capable of writing in CCC1, Autotex, Mitchell, or using our detailed hail matrix. We offer a no supplement policy on all estimates that we write or assist in writing. We will identify all damage, including hail, non-hail, moldings and lenses, and any pre-existing damage. Each panel, including aluminum panels, are individually estimated by the number of dents, dent size, and severity. Our estimators will keep each panel under the cost of conventional repair or replacement cost. Our team includes an experienced support staff available to alleviate chaos at all CAT sites and claims drives. All NHD technicians are VAIL certified or equivalent with years of PDR experience. Additionally, we use ASE certified R&I teams. National Hail and Dent will provide additional workspace, including tents, and temporary building space when needed. We will also help with marketing and advertising, including banners, mailers, and newspaper ads. Our techniques include glue pulling when there is limited or no access, and push for paint. NHD has a strict no-drill policy. Our repairs are backed with a lifetime warranty. As shown here, glue pulling is an excellent technique in hail damage repairs on roof rails or double panels when access is limited. Hot glue is applied to a tab and placed directly on the dent. The tab is then pulled using a slide hammer or a mini lifter. We provide our services to collision centers, auto dealerships, insurance companies, ports and manufacturers, and fleet services. National Hail and Dent has been a leader in the hail repair industry for over 22 years. We are confident we will provide an overall exceptional experience when a hail catastrophe occurs in your area.